All right, hello, I'm Jacob, and this is week 10, which is TDD and also security, both kind of combined into 1 week. So I guess I'll just kind of real quick go through the security, the few changes I actually did implement, which were in the config initializers divides. I was just making sure that users get a notification whenever either their email or password changes. I also made it to where the session times out in 10 minutes. So whenever the user is inactive for 10 minutes, then they'll be logged out and they'll have to log back in again. Maximum amount of attempts before your account's locked is 10. And then 1 hour interval to unlock, 6 hour interval to reset the password. And that's it for security. So for the actual TDD, let's see, we got RSpec is what we're using. So first let's go to lib. So for the elevator media, I just have an iframe here that would basically play a video on the LED screen of the elevator. And I'll do all the tests at the end, by the way. I can do them all at once. So real quick, this has all the parts you need. The elevator media module with the class streamer, and then actual HTML in here, which is the iframe. I also have, what else? Let's see. In the controllers, what are we talking about? Spec, I'm sorry. So here, elevator media, we have the get content here being described, returns the HTML iframe, expecting it to be a string, which it is. We also have a little leads little test application here. What's supposed to happen is this is simulating with Capybara someone going to the home page right here, filling out the forms with test information, clicking send, and so then the page expects it to have, first of all, the actual content that's on the page, and then second of all, the latest test information, which I have commented out here. But what I have right now is the expecting it not to be nil, just because right now what's happening is the test is instead getting as results the actual last item in my database rather than the test information that's being sent here. And then last but not least, we have the intervention test here with a couple of tests in it, just very simple tests. So we have the intervention here with the parameters being called. The actual intervention is valid, and we're saying that the intervention is not valid if one of these items is nil: user, customer, building, or battery. So let's actually go and run these tests so we can see what it looks like. And the command to run it is just going to be a simple bin rspec format doc. Right. So it's going to run all of them, and then we'll go through them together. So we'll let the green flow. All right, 7 with 0 failures. So the first one returns the iframe, right, that we have from the elevator media. The leads gets the results from the leads form. That was that contact us page in the beginning. And then the intervention model here with the different tests inside of it. And that's going to be it for me for week 10. Thanks.